friends, what's up? This is RK from 360 Reader. Right now I'm going to show how to use groups in the Files app on iPhone or iPad. Using groups, you can organize files in the Files app on your iPhone or iPad by date, size or kind. Let me show you how it works the right way. Before getting started, make sure you have subscribed our YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any update from 360 Reader. First off, launch the Files app on your iPhone or iPad. After that, open the folder which files you want to organize. Then tap on the tiny menu button at the top right corner of the screen and then select Use Groups. Next up, tap on Group By and then select kind, date or size depending on the way you want to organize files in the Files app on your iPhone or iPad. That's all there is to it. So that's the way you can group files in the Files app on your iPhone or iPad running iOS 15 or later or iPadOS 15 or later. If you found this tip helpful, make sure to like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such helpful tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have an amazing time. Bye bye.